Hi, this is John. Today we're doing lecture 1 and we're doing what 5 paragraph macro outline is today. Alright, so we're gonna do, first we're gonna define what outline is, and then we're gonna go on to provide more details what macro outline is, which is the central topic of today's lecture. As you can see, typical essay or standardized essays consist of 5 different paragraphs here. As you can see, we have introduction, body 1, body 2, body 3, and conclusion. 3 bodies consist of 3 paragraphs, and there's introduction, of course, and conclusion. So this is what you're seeing is the typical standardized 5 paragraph essay, which applies to any type of writing. Okay. Depending on the situations, you might want to add 1 or 2 more paragraphs, but as I mentioned, this is the standardized the paragraph, 5 paragraph essay. So outline is something that helps you think and also helps you organized, and something you can use definitely, and something you can make yourself and for yourself, and something that helps you learn, of course. And so what exactly is an outline? So outline is a to-do list for your essay. So before you start actually writing, you need to have some kind of blueprint, right? So that outline serves the purpose of, same as the blueprint. It could be anywhere from 1 to 50 page, typically it's between 1 and 5 pages, but you could write more if you want. And also we have to include very critical information in the outline, such as the thesis and arguments, research, analysis. Okay. And also make sure you organize your ideas first as you're working on your outline. And as I mentioned, the beginning, which is introduction, and the middle, which is the body, and the ending, which is the conclusion, need to be organized and structured properly. So as you can see, if you have an outline, then you're ready to write your essay. If not, then your ideas might be mixed up with different ideas, confusing, perplexing, hard to start. Even if you start, you might struggle. You might want to come back and delete and rewrite, and that takes a lot of effort and time and very inefficient. So what is a macro outline? The macro means big, large. So think macro as like a big picture, okay? Or the opposite is the micro. Micro means small or more focused, okay? So, but today's lecture, we are more focusing on the macro. So we talked about what outline is. Now we want to add this extra term here. So macro outline, what is it? Macro outline is an outline that focuses on the big picture of your essay. This means that it's broken down into the most important parts of your essay, very big chunks of your ideas. Micro is the one that has super details. Macro, not so much. Macro, as the name applies, it's all about the big structure, big ideas, big picture. So when you sit down to write your essay, you will just have to put your outline in paragraph form. Just add on key ideas. You don't have to spell out every word, but just key ideas in a roughly manner. And then edit and polish it. The macro outline is usually on shorter side, length, work on wise, anywhere between 1 to 2 pages, not too long. Let's revisit this, the 5 paragraph, the skeleton here. So we have introduction, body 1, body 2, body 3, and conclusion. For a macro outline, you might just want to add a few sentences or so for each element here. So 1 or 2 sentences should suffice. Micro outline, you might have to add much more details, few paragraphs per element here, which we'll get to our next lectures, in the coming lectures. So you're ready? So now that you know your macro outline is, first it's a to-do list. And it also focuses on the bigger picture of your essay, not the small picture, which it's for the micro. And also it's logically structured into 5 paragraphs for a standardized 5-paragraph essay. All right, so I guess you're ready. So next time we'll talk about what thesis is. Thesis is one of the most important elements in the introduction paragraph. So our next lecture we'll talk about the thesis. Choose.